What's up, guys? We're doing not doing a song for today because we have something different for you guys. You can hear the sound for today because remember it's taking forever to clean his face because I just want to hear that sound for you guys. You can hear what the sound for you guys. You can hear nice the subwoofer has holding it. So we have to make it as fast as we can because number goes to his room. And if he is not taking forever, I'm going to bring his door right here and tell him to hurry sticking up so I can do as soon as possible. And now here's to listen to 21 Savage and clean his face. He needs to not listen to rap and put some have a little because he likes Limp Bizkit, Great, and Corn? I think it was. I hate Corn. I hate Pearl Jam. I hate Slipknot. I want to put some 2024 rock heavy metal. Because 2024 is a year of the 2024. Because I think he know what the rap music are. But here it is right here. That's him. But yeah.
No more, don't wanna hit that pole. I get it in and go.
What are you doing? What? Ow!
What are you saying out for?
You're not with me. Alexa, stop.
Now you got kitty.
What are you doing?
Not done yet.
Oh my god, can you hurry up?
I will.
Hurry as soon as possible.
am.
Because I have to go in the room.
Alexa, play I Fall Apart.
Here's I Fall Apart by Post
Ooh, I fall apart.
How long is it gonna take?
Told me that I'm not enough. She left me with no broken.
One second, the guys hang up over is cleaning the face and shave. Whatever. Oh, shave. Sorry about that.
What?
Fat girl, please.
Can't hear you. Alexa, stop. What?
Mom. Mom. Mom.
What?
What did you say?
Get the fat dog.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Come on.
One second, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Pet the dog.
No, you looking for something.
No, pet the dog.
No, look. You're going to the fridge and looking for something.
You know what?
I don't want to wear the hat. Take it back. Take it back.
Look at me, kitty. Look at me.
take it back, please. Oh, stop! We're getting stop. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to make a brother just stop. If he's doing the halving, I feel like nauseous because I'm trying to make it feel you guys is better for you guys. I'm trying to make it feel better because I'm trying to make it that sound for you guys because my brother's in the bathroom taking forever to put some rap music and posting around, get on the fridge and get on the fat dog and here we go. Back in his room. I'm just doing work. Okay, so I have to make it super quick. Because I know Ngang is working every day with cat and commercial 9 to 2 p.m. Okay, so I'm trying to make it as fast as I can, and there's a hole next to the wall. So yeah, I'm trying to make it fast as I can when I do, so I can make some good numbers for you guys. And here goes with my brother coming out in his bedroom. No. Let me see.
What are you doing?
Oh, you in here. I just saw you. Are you? You just literally shut the door.
Don't mess with my light.
You
Turn it off.
I told you.
No. Turn it on.
But I told you. You just shut your door.
Yeah, I did.
Two
All right,
times.
Now go.
You don't say, get your head out! Anymore. But you're sounding like a high-pitched voice. You know? You sounded like a high-pitched. Like, get your head out! Ah! Shut up, dude. Alright, here we go. But first, do the thing. Because I know where they are. Come on. Okay, but first I have to record all this. And boom. But he needs to get a fix it for me when he gets home. Because we have a problem with it. Because I'm trying to connect it to the Bluetooth from the FE. And for its wise because it's not connectable. And it tells me the devices cannot be found. And I use this speaker instead. Come on. I'm trying to make a best for you guys. And to see how much gonna take this power. Okay. Get everything? Okay, well, let's see that work. Oh my god. Woohoo! Oh my god. Guys, read the comments below. You heard that sound? It's enough of a sound. You hear it? Let's see if the charger does work. Hold on, let me sit down first. Grab from the phone real quick. I love that sound. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool sound. A lot. Alright guys, by the way. Alright guys, here is for the Vans coming up on the 17th. But right now it is on this 15th. We are actually going to Illinois on Friday. We have to wake up super early because it is 20-hour drive, So I'll probably record on the 16th on the 16th and the 17th the 17th, and we're gonna record it for a 20-hour drive and to see how long it's gonna take. But Nayafi is gonna record for it. On the first phone, I have to watch the thing on the thing. So when I drive, I have to take my speaker with me, and if it's good guy with me, I have to take the thing with me, so I won't forget. And guess what's out? Safety. I'm probably gonna take a toy with me, but first we have to make a beautiful dying sound for you guys before I go. But first I have to turn the thing down to hear the thing. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, go. Wait. No. 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 Oh, wait. Well, I'm gonna ask Mom. Hang on. Hang on. Sorry for record on the PJs. Hang on. I need some batteries.
For what?
It's dead.
The toy's dead?
Yeah, I need some batteries.
Turn it on, let me hear it.
It's quiet.
Okay, will you tell Zay to come here?
Yeah. Hold on, let me turn the thing off for the kitchen. Hey Zay, would you come here? What? Mom needs you. Come here! Because my toy is dead, I need to come here. Come here.
I said to come here.
Go get your friend.
You gotta learn how to turn it off, bro. You gotta turn it off when you're done using it. Can't leave it on all day. Where's the screwdriver for this?
You can use a penny.
Penny?
Or a butter knife.
One second, guys. My brother's gonna put on the batteries for you guys to get here the intro for you guys. One second. Be careful. No,
Bye, what's the name of that song again?
what?
The song that you sing in choir. Somebody by miles.
Oh, tango.
Tango, tango, tango. Somebody by miles.
Alexi.
Listen to the music and get on your feet. Move like the animals, stomp your feet.
It works!
Penguins stretch up tall like a giraffe. Dance like a monkey and laugh out loud. Come play at the zoo.
Hold on. When we start the thing, guys, I heard that sound, and in our brothers, the knife, it goes
I love how he says that.
like that.
It's his hand.
No.
In his mouth.
No.
Say knife, Cam.
Good night.
No, say knife.
Knife.
How do you say it?
You put on the knife on the table.
Knife. Oh. Knife.
He says connection.
He said
Knife. It's a when you use a cutting board,
Yeah.
like cut the food. Okay.
Oh my god. Ooh, my mom.
What time is it?
Oh no, Jimmy Bye. Something like that. How does it go again? Jimmy Bye.
Oh my god. First call.
Hello.
That was a sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5,700 3-ton package. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Okay.
After I get Jason set up, just gonna come up here.
Let's see how toys works, and yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and shut my door. Okay, let's see. Let's see if that's work.
Listen to the music and get on your feet. Move like the animals, stomp your feet. One like a penguin, stretch up tall like a giraffe. Dance like a monkey and laugh out loud.
Oh, it works! Oh my god, it freaking worked. Okay.
I'm a tiny little penguin, waddling here, waddling there. I'm a very friendly parrot, chatting out loud, how you hear. I'm a great big elephant, stomping here, stomping there. I'm a big and tall giraffe, standing so high I'm touching the sky. Tweet, tweet, I'm a toucan. Sing with me. Listen to the music and get on your feet. Move like the animals, stomp your feet. One like a penguin, stretch up tall like a giraffe. Dance like a monkey and laugh out loud. Red. Yellow. Blue. Orange.
Give it a shot. Give it a shot. And give it a shot. Oh my god.
Listen to the music and get on your feet. Move like the animals, stomp your feet. One like a penguin, stretch up tall like a giraffe. Dance like a monkey and laugh out loud. I'm a tiny little penguin, waddling here, waddling there. Bye-bye.
Finally worked. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I've been doing like this. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, see ya.